So today I just made a quick HTV decal on a t-shirt for a friend. She retired in 2003, so I wanted to make her a really quick t-shirt because she commented on something on Facebook, and I thought maybe I can make that for her too. Always make sure when you're doing HTV to mirror your decal, because if you don't, your decal will be backwards. I sent it to my machine and it cut the decal. I actually cut it twice. I used my t-shirt ruler and turned on my machine to warm it up. While it is warming up, I'm going to go ahead and weed my HTV. This was relatively easy to do. Kind of boring, but it's easy, as you can see. I got this HTV vinyl from somewhere on Amazon, and one of those packs that have a lot of different colors, so I decided to go with gray because it is a maroon t-shirt. After I get the main parts weeded, I will use my tweezers to get all of the other stuff out. I pre-pressed my t-shirt really quick, just for a few seconds. After I made sure everything was lined up, I applied my Teflon sheet. I decided to up the heat a little bit, just for 310 and 20 seconds. So I'm pressing here. Once I have pressed for 20 seconds, I removed my Teflon sheet, and I could not remember if it was cold peel or hot peel, but I just went with it and did hot peel. You'll have to look at your HTV to see if yours is hot or cold peel, but it turned out pretty neat, as you can see. I didn't have any problems with peeling the carrier sheet off. I went ahead and turned off my machine because I don't need it anymore, and it looks like I don't have to press it anymore. It looks really good. What do you think? I know that was really quick, but thank you for watching.